Hello. Alright then. Okay, it's getting late. And I guess I'll do this instead. Last thing for today. And then I've got to go and do torture chairs. You know those massage chairs that go at the local Denki store, electrical store. They have these massage chairs that go and they're free. And they've got Wi-Fi there. So you do that and do you want to hear this story? Right then. Now, this is cool. Japanese temple bell, bronze Buddhist. Check this out. Whoa, what a beauty. Okay, now, got it on this, plugged it on this bit of wood here, which I found some wood around here somewhere. Where could that wood be? It was around here somewhere. But anyways, awesome piece. And I'm going to, without much ado, you get this. This is really cool. That's actually kimono material, that stuff. So let's hear this, shall we? You don't want to hear my nonsense. Okay. Well, like that. And here we are. You okay in there? And that was just a very light tap. You only have to tap it lightly. Striking point there, and also one there. Alright, so it's just gorgeous. See you later. You right in there? So, check it out. Isn't it fantastic? There you are. Alright, that's the end of the day. And hold on a second. Just over here like that. And just file that over there. Shurikens.